Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone and I'm coming to you live from inside of a Frontier bathroom. First time I've ever done this. We'll see you at the end. We're having breakfast at the Yacht Club here in McCall. See, there's the Payette Lake right there. There's the boat that didn't hire me. I hope you're watching. And here is Kim's
Crab Cake Benedict.
Crab Cake Benedict. Shrimp and grits. Mr. Eat ahead of the schedule. Jamie. And that's
El Chorizo.
El Chorizo. And I got Monte Cristo. We all got these killer Bloody Marys and mimosas too. We're on our way to the Boise Airport. Pronounced Boise. And it's a beautiful day. We're going to try to stop off at a place called Casa del Matador, where we love the Mexican food and the margaritas especially. And I'm heading to Destin today via New Orleans on a red eye to take care of some family business. So we're continuing with my tour tales in the air, I guess. It's a big fire. We're just passing Cascade, Idaho. It's a big fire. I believe it's a house fire. It's hard to tell, but it's certainly not a forest fire. There was a huge fire. We're about 15 miles from Boise. Really big fire, and it goes for miles and miles and miles. And everything's burned on this side. Everything's okay on this side. This whole side is burnt. This is the perfect tequila ball. Kim already found it. Part of the Frontiers experience. Durham, and of course the longest line is always here. Thanks again for watching another episode of My Tour Tales. It is 6:36 a.m. in the Raleigh Durham Airport, and I've been flying since 8:30 p.m. yesterday. So I'm gonna wrap this one up and bid you adieu. Until next time, remember, open roads, open minds. Cheers.